Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing today? Nice to see you. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button below. We're talking about what's your story. Kawehewehe. There's two words that I have for story today. One is moʻolelo. And moʻolelo is a story, history, tradition, usually a true story. And before the written language, Hawaiians would transmit their stories through oli, or chants. The second word is kaʻao. And kaʻao is a legend, a tale, fanciful, fiction, means not true, made up, or embellished. Kapuana. The words for today are, of course, moʻolelo. E hoʻopili mai, moʻolelo. Maikaʻi, moʻolelo. And kaʻao. E hoʻopili mai, kaʻao. And this one we've talked about before in the past, mana leo, which means a native speaker of Hawaiian. E hoʻopili mai, mana leo. Kahana. But if you know my moʻolelo, I'm not a mana leo, and I grew up speaking English. Fast forward till today, I have a daughter, Tita, and she goes to a Hawaiian immersion school. It's a school where the kids learn all of their subject areas like math, science, history, social studies through the medium of Hawaiian language, meaning their kumu speaks to them in Hawaiian and teaches them those subjects. And I had an interesting conversation with my mom this week, and she said, you know, you really should ʻōlelo Hawaii more with your daughter. And I said, yeah, Mom, but you know, I'm not a mana leo and Hawaiian is not my first language. And she said, I didn't ask you if you were a mana leo. I said, you should ʻōlelo Hawaii with your daughter more. And I said, yeah, but it's more convenient, you know, for us to speak English a lot of times. It's just easier. And, you know, Hawaiian is not my first language. And she said, who said Hawaiian is not your first language? And that's where kahana, the application, comes in. And I said, well, I'm not a mana leo, you know, English is my first language. She said, it is your first language because you went back to school and you learned it. Therefore, it is your first language. And I thought, huh. And she said, and the more you speak it with your daughter, the more ma'a, or the more familiar it becomes. And the more comfortable that you'll be at speaking it, and then you won't be lazy to, I can speak Hawaiian, but it's just easier to speak English, you know? So that's lazy. And I was like, huh. And I thought of my story, my moʻolelo. What was I telling myself all these years, or what excuse was I making to not ʻōlelo Hawaii? Was I telling myself a kaʻao, this made-up story, or was I really telling myself a moʻolelo? It was like a mind-blowing experience, like mind blown. And I told myself a new moʻolelo. Yes, I am. Hawaiian is my first language. And yes, I can ʻōlelo Hawaii with my daughter. And I'm not lazy. I can do it. So my question to you is, what's your moʻolelo? What's the story that you've been telling yourself? Have you been telling yourself a kaʻao? Or have you been telling yourself a moʻolelo? My hope for you is that me finding out this new moʻolelo about myself and helping me become better and more productive will help you too. Ka ʻōlelo no ʻeau. My ʻōlelo no ʻeau for today comes from ekahi, ekahi, eiwa, ekahi. And it is I ka ʻōlelo no keola, I ka ʻōlelo no kamake. That means in life, there's language, and in death, there's language. And the more that we ʻōlelo Hawaii, we speak Hawaiian, life. The more we stop speaking Hawaiian, then death. The reason why this is one of my favorite ʻōlelo no ʻeau, I did a vikio with my friend Kaipoʻi Keling several years ago. I'll put the link down to the bottom of this video, and it's called Why Hawaiian is Not the Main Language of Hawaii. And you know, thinking about this or this mo'olelo, Hawaiian and the language is one of the reasons why I wake up in the morning. It's my purpose. You know, at the beginning of every year when I start teaching, every class and every period, the kids watch that vikio with Kaipoʻi Keling. And what they learn is the thing that puts the fire under me, or the thing that makes me excited, or the passion that I have, which is to teach Olelo Hawaii. That's why I teach it to my haumana, my students. And you know, some of them are like, Kumu, we watched this vikio last year, like you showed it to me last year. And I said, yes. And I'm going to show it to you next year when you take my class again. It's very important for you to hear my mo'olelo, to know what my mo'olelo is and why I do what I do. And for all of you who watch my vikio, I want you to know that I appreciate you so much watching these. But let's not stop there. Go tell your friends, change your mo'olelo, and make sure you're telling yourself the right mo'olelo, not that kaʻao. So until next time, mahalo for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Aloha. Ahui ho.